Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Tracy Blum with Tracy Blum Coaching, and in today's video we're going to be talking about my favorite millionaire mindset tool, which I call the 10 for 10 tool. And this is the one piece of homework that I always assign my clients for when they really get stuck, or they're procrastinating, or they're avoiding, or they're just struggling. And it's usually, well, it's not usually, it's always a mindset thing. And this is the way that we overcome it. So I'm going to share it with you so that you can use it for yourself. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a look at what is really plaguing you. So I'm going to give you some examples. So for example, I can't make six figures as a therapist because, could be one. I can't crack the $500,000 in my clinic because I can't hire great therapists because I can't create amazing programs that sell because I can't find new clients because. We're looking for the becauses in your life, those excuses. And then I'm going to show you how to overcome them. So I want you to take a few minutes, pause this video if you need to, and write down all your becauses so that we can get into the root of this. Okay, so what we're going to use for an example is I can't sell my programs easily because, and you might want to tweak that to I can't sell them well, I can't make big money with them, whatever it is that floats your boat. It's all kind of the same, but it needs to be your lingo. So we're going to use this example, which is from one of my clients, and we are going to go through it together. Now, the key to this is we are going to write down 10 reasons why. And we're going to do this exact same issue for 10 consecutive days. So it only takes a few minutes. But the reason why it's 10 is because 10 is the magical number of expansion and increase. And usually the first 3 or 4 is just garbage that our logical mind tries to spew out there so we don't find the real issue. And for 10 days means we get it all. So as we do this, what you're going to do at the end is you're actually going to tear up that paper and throw it out, because you don't want to read it again, because then you'll start to judge yourself and go, oh, it's the same stuff over and over again. It's just how many times that same stuff needs to come up and get out. But I assure you this works. Okay, so I can't sell my programs easily because. So let's go through some of the reasons why that might be true for you. So number 1, I can't sell my programs easily because I have no idea how to market myself. I can't sell my programs easily because I have tried in the past and I really sucked and it didn't work. So obviously I'm not good at it. I can't sell my programs easily because I don't have fancy software to make this happen. I can't sell my programs easily because I don't know how to do Facebook ads. I can't sell this program easily because I don't take great photographs, so I don't look good when I'm online, and so therefore I don't want to do it because I don't want people to judge me. I can't sell my programs easily because I don't have the money for the marketing that it requires to make this happen. I can't sell my program easily because when I try to hire people, they don't really get me. They think I'm too weird, or, you know, they don't understand. So when they put this stuff together for me, it just doesn't work and I waste money. I can't sell my programs easily because I'm a one of, and really, I hate marketing, but I really love working with my clients. And you know what? Word of mouth. If the universe is going to line it up for me, then it will happen. And I just need to keep positive and say affirmations and make it happen that way. I can't sell my programs easily because I'm not as sophisticated or suave as other people that are out there marketing. I'm just kind of, you know, over here, and that's okay. I can't sell my programs easily because I'm just not the expert. I'm not as good as everyone else. And so my stuff, like it's just a bit of a struggle, and then I have guilt when I do sell it. Like, what happens if they don't get the success? I know it's a good program, but I just have all these fears, and it kind of shows up in my marketing, and I just don't know how to do it. So those are 10. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take a look at the 10 that you've written out, and you're going to read them out one by one, but then you're going to follow it up with the clearing statement. So I can't sell my programs easily because I'm not as suave and sophisticated as others. And then the clearing statement after that is everything this is, I destory, delete, untangle, unwind, dissipate, and release it. Then you read the next one. I can't sell my programs easily because, and you write out the next because, and you clear it. So what the clearing does is it kind of pulls it out of our subconscious. So we stop thinking that, we stop doing that, and we get motivated and we get excited about what it is we have to offer. Because if we don't get it out there and people don't know that it exists, then we can't sell it. You know, I'm sure yourself have even experienced where, oh, I didn't know that was available. Oh, if I'd have known, I would have totally gone to that, or I'd have totally purchased that, or I would have done this sooner, right? It's because the marketing wasn't there that needed to be there in order for you to make your sales. So highly recommend you try this. Only do one main issue at a time. Otherwise, it's too much work and people will fall off the wagon. So don't worry, you have this tool now forever. So you can pick the biggest one that's plaguing you, or as you're going through your work and you're like, this keeps happening, I can't do this because. You can also use this for any kind of investments, for hiring people. You can also do it for your health. I can't eat well because, right? Or finding love. I can't find someone to love because, like, it's really a universal tool and it's so amazing. I've used it for like 20 years and it works like a hot damn. So if you haven't subscribed already, be sure that you do, and I'll see you in the next video. Have fun. Let me know in the comments what you've tried and what's cleared, or if you're not sure on the wording or something like that, I would love to help you. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.